Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is officially my first vlog, my first impromptu vlog. You just had to talk. This is officially my first vlog, and today I'm going to be going to an art exhibition with my sister. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you guys with me, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be getting ready, doing my nails, my hair, dressing. No, you will not watch me dress up. But how I get ready, and I'm going to be showing you how the art exhibition I'm going to be showing you how the art exhibition is going to go, so stay tuned. So I'm about to do my nails quickly. Let's do that now. So these are the nails that I got from a Bano supermarket. These are the nails that I got, and I think I'm going to use this nail polish to like make it look, I don't know yet, but when I put it on my nails, then I'm going to know. If it's not nice, then I'm going to use nail polish and make it better, and then top it up with this white nail polish. Yeah, and as you know, we are Nigerians, guys. Super glue. What's nail glue? Super glue. Save yourself the stress and the money. So yeah, you should use nail glue, just couldn't buy it at the moment. So I'm done lining them up, and this is how they're going to be on my nails.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both.
This nail is the ghetto, guys, and to think that I saw it like this, I'm in love. So I'm about to put it on my nail. I'm not sure. Put it on my nail, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished results. By the way, look at my nails, guys.
I think it's hard how we all.
Okay, so I'm done fixing my nails, guys. Back realization is too long, but yeah, this is it. So I'm about to paint it, and this is the color that I want to. This is the color that I want to paint it. Like, look at the shade of pink that I want, and this is the shade that I have now. So I'm just going to cut it a bit, like I'm just going to shorten it a bit, and then I'm going to paint it, and then I'll show you the results. So yeah, let's keep going. I've heard you. Okay, so this is the final look. This is my nails. I'm loving it. I cut it short, and it has like this square, I don't know how to explain this square shape. So yeah, so I'm about to get ready. I'm about to dress, do my edges. I really don't do makeup, so put lip gloss, just look casual, and then we're going to be on our way to the art gallery for the exhibition. So just trying to do our makeup. Even I don't do makeup, but yeah, my sister is in her makeup. Okay, so this is how I'm looking, like on my face. My edges are fake. They're really giving the vibes. I'm about to show you guys my outfit. So let me just quickly wear my slippers, and then you guys can see how I look. So this is it. This is my outfit. I tend to pick this top. I really like this top because it's giving this arty vibe, and I'm going for an art exhibition. Sorry you guys can't see my face. I'm going for an art exhibition, so I really just picked this outfit because it's giving arty vibe. And I'm just wearing slippers. I'm going to be carrying my bag, just a black bag. And yeah, like, I'm really giving it. I'm giving it, guys. Ready, and the sun is
shining, and I look weird.
It's cooperating. How?
Because I hate when my braids are flying away.
Lagos traffic will humble you, but we move. Now we're at almost at art exhibition, and the struggle to get to the gallery is real. Hopefully the car is fine there. Before it's okay. Is that fight on the road? So this art exhibition was really nice. I really love the message that the art was trying to pass across, and it was talking about love and how giving in the society is so beautiful. And it was done by Christopher Udo. This exhibition was called Waiting My Eye Don't See, and trust me, this place was beautiful, it was peaceful, and it was amazing. I was able to take a lot of videos, a lot of pictures. I just wanted to be here like all day. It was so nice.
So I pick it up. It's not like it's too expensive. I think this is going for like 600k.
Okay, so we're done with the art exhibition, and I'm about to head home. I'm doing a vlog. We're about to head home now. It was really nice. It was really fun. I enjoyed it, but now we're about to meet traffic. But yeah, we move. Hi, so we're done with the exhibition, and we're on our way back. And
stop in Lagos traffic.
Brother,
Traffic is not doing press up.
it's to humble you, my dear. To give you the 6 packs that you're looking for.
It's to take away your umbility.
Because
That's really a word.
this Please, this music off. What they say before they will give me copyright. So guys, I am finally home. Oh my god. After Lagos traffic wanted to finish us. I'm looking tired. Just look at me. So this is officially the end of my first vlog. Please like, share, comment. If you really like this vlog, tell me. Like if you want me to do more vlogs, just tell me. Support me, because this is me like practicing to know if I can actually do vlogs. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this vlog. It was really nice. Like it's really nice vlogging. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. You have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for my next vlog, if there's going to be a vlog. Bye.